Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the chat where you want to send emoji, then tap the emoji icon next to the text field. This opens the emoji panel so you can act now. Once open, use the recents row for what you use most, or tap the magnifying glass to search by keyword. This is faster than scrolling. Make sure your keyboard and WhatsApp are up to date so the newest emoji appear. Doing this prevents missing options when you need them. Next, tap any emoji to insert it into your message. You can add several in sequence for nuanced meaning. If an emoji supports skin tones or variants, long press it and choose the option you want. This is how to personalize expressions. Once done, you can add text, stickers, or GIF alongside emoji to clarify tone. Combining emoji with a short phrase often avoids misunderstanding, especially in group chats where finally tap send to deliver your emoji-enhanced message. If you need to change it, long press the sent message and choose edit or delete. This lets you correct tone quickly. You can also react to messages by long pressing any chat bubble and selecting an emoji for fast feedback. If emoji render incorrectly for you or a contact, make sure both devices and WhatsApp versions are updated. If problems persist, restart the app or reinstall it to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.